Hey YouTube, I'm at work and the amazing things that I find out when I'm at work. True word.
Hey Annie,
Hey what, Bev?
did you know
Did I know what?
that in Japan,
Yeah, in Japan
that
there's a lot going on.
That crows have been observed, I can't speak today, get that out, using a clever technique to crack walnuts.
What do they use their feet? What? Do they use their feet to crack it?
No, they don't. They drop them onto the roadway and they wait for cars to drive over them, effectively using the vehicles as a nutcracker.
No way. How? They wouldn't know how to do that.
Well, they say this behaviour, particularly seen at pedestrian crossings.
Is this fact or fiction? Fiction. Is this fact or fiction?
This is fact. Involves
In
crows,
whose eyes?
Japan's eyes
Japan's eyes.
and internet. Yeah.
Okay. Don't listen or believe everything you hear on the internet.
The behaviour, particularly seen at pedestrian crossings, involves crows placing walnuts on the road, waiting for a red light to stop traffic.
So crows ain't colour blind?
Obviously not.
Wow.
Although that may be a different thing. That may be a longer story. They might be colourblind, but they might go on the clicks where the clicks of the lights go.
Oh God, it gets deeper and
So
deeper.
that's
Okay, we'll have to look
complicated.
into that one.
This is complicated. Okay, and they wait for the red light to stop traffic and then retrieving the cracked nut when the light turns green for the pedestrians.
How do they not get run over?
Because right alongside of the pedestrians. This behaviour is considered a form of animal culture.
Animal cruelty by the sounds of it. They're going to get run over.
Animal culture, like Boy George and the Culture Club.
No, I don't believe that.
Passed down through generations. Well, here's a
Passed through
breakdown of the
generations.
details.
So how many generations have gone through? Birds don't live forever.
Well, the observation is this: crows in Japan have been seen dropping walnuts onto the road, specifically at pedestrian crossing. Would you like to know the strategy?
Oh yes, please. And my audience on YouTube would also like to know the strategy on the Saturday Fun Facts at Work.
Okay, it's called strategic placement. They seem to understand that traffic lights control the flow of cars, so they drop the walnut at the crosswalks, knowing that cars will eventually pass over them.
Who did they watch to do this? Learnt behaviour. Monkey see, monkey do. Or in this case, crow do. Crow see, crow do.
Yeah. It's called the waiting game. The crow then waits for the traffic lights to turn red, stopping the cars. And then they wait for the green light for pedestrians, signalling that the cars to stop again.
No. This is baloney.
This is an effective cracking way. This allows the crow to retrieve the cracked walnut without being in danger of being run over.
Well, they will get run over because... No, I don't believe it. Who got you onto this?
An idiot.
So do you guys want the link that this comes from? These facts that are apparently the Japan have got crows
Well, wait until
taught
you hear about Sweden.
this. There's
So
another.
Let's just finish about crows in Japan. So, some crows have also been seen dropping nuts onto power lines or elevator services and
No,
then
that's not
retrieving
safe.
them after they've fallen cracked.
That's not safe. Power lines. Oh, but then again, birds sit on power lines. So
Intelligence. The behaviour demonstrates the impressive intelligence and problem-solving skills of the crows, highlighting their ability to adapt to their environment and use tools, in this case being cars, to their advantage.
So they're
How's
using
that?
the
Who
cars
would've thought that?
as a tool.
Now, do you want to
Who would have
know?
thought?
Hang on.
I'll do another one. I'll be back, YouTube, because this is going to be too...
What about crows in Sweden?
What about the length of it? It's already 5 minutes.
Oh,
Does that matter?
No, I don't.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Well, now we're talking about Sweden and the crows in Sweden. So the first
Correct.
one was crows in Japan have learnt to throw walnuts on the road of passing cars. Did I get that right?
Yeah,
passing
wait till
cars.
the cars stop at the red
And the
light.
cars run over the walnut and cracks it open, and
And
the
then
crow.
when the lights turn green for the pedestrians to cross, they run along the road with the pedestrians and pick the nuts up. That's a real nutcracker, isn't it?
It's a nutcracker. Well done, Japan, for having
Now,
such
Sweden.
intelligent birds.
Sweden,
Okay, Sweden.
particularly in the city of, I would never know how to say this, Södertälje. That'll
I'm
do.
not sure.
Everybody else can figure that out. Crows are being trained to collect cigarette butts and other litter in exchange for food.
Cigarette butts in the
Yep.
crow's mouth.
This has been a project spearheaded by a company called Corvid, that's C-O-R-V-I-D, Cleaning. And the aim is to reduce street cleaning costs and add the high volume of cigarette butts littered, which is 62% of the litter.
So
found
they're
in the
actually
street.
using poor
Uh,
crows as slave-driven,
Yeah.
picking up the butts just to save costs.
Yeah, and then they put them in a bin. When they drop it in a bin, a little tray opens and gives them a reward. It was
Wow.
a pilot project used in a city near Stockholm to test the feasibility and the effectiveness of using crows to collect litter. The crows are wild birds that participate on a voluntary basis.
Voluntary. What's the other one? Voluntary or compulsory? What's involuntary? So what happens
Mandatory or
if they don't?
compulsory.
What do the crows do if the treat
It's a
tray's not
reward.
full enough, or
Well,
those treats in there? They're going to feel
Yeah.
ripped off.
Well, that's it. Anyway, it's a reward system. Every cigarette butt or a piece of litter deposited in a specially designed machine, the crows are rewarded with food.
What kind of food?
Bird food.
Lollies or bird food?
Eating.
And what brand? Trill or Sunflower?
And it hopes to save a significant amount of money on street cleaning costs through this initiative. Ethical consideration. The Corvid Cleaning Company is also taking steps to ensure the health and well-being of the crows participating in the project.
So they're doing the well-being.
Sign on the dotted line.
Yeah.
I'm
Do they
Mr.
sign
Crow.
with their little claw in their foot, or do they sign with their
They
beak?
Clock in and clock out. All right. So it's it's an ethical system and it's an intelligent system of crows. Crows for the project are taken in because they have high intelligence and problem-solving abilities. The hooded crow, the crow involved. in
Hooded
the
crow. So we've got crows that wear hoodies now.
Yeah, hooded crows.
Do they? So they're the winter birds. So they've even trained them. So they're in seasons. You have the hooded crows
hooded.
in the winter.
I think they're the one.
So who does the
taken
summer run?
for the project? So.
Who does the summer cleanup?
Don't know, let me finish this. The crows involved in the project are likely to be hooded crows, which are Corvus conix, a common species in Sweden. So how's that?
How
Is
is that?
is
No
that
way.
rocky?
Nah.
Is that rocky walnuts?
Yeah. So is that a riddle? Is there something in that needs to be worked out, or is that just a main
I don't know,
fact
it's
of
Japan and Sweden.
the world? All
And
right,
you know what?
YouTube. We will be back.
I wonder what they do in Australia.
Let's think about that. I'll be back next Saturday, same time, same spot.
Same channel, same space.
Yep, same channel, same space.
We hope you like the Crow Show.
Enjoy those facts. I'll get some more for you. Bye.